Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of black. Now we open black color. First we draw the letter of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. The next one is D. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the alphabet of G. The next one is H. Now we draw I. I for ice. The next one is J. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, the next one is M. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. Now we are draw the alphabet of P. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is S. S for sun. S for snake. Now we draw T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. The alphabet of V. Now we draw W. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y, and the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.